Belly, the one-stop shop for all essentials like snacks, beverages, grocery items, packaged food, cosmetics, stationery, fresh and organic fruits and vegetables, meat, household goods, toiletries and many more. Leave your kids at the playpen while you shop for all your household needs, all at a reasonable rate. Hurry, visit Jolly Belly Supermarket for ready discounts and offers. Step into the store and leave happy. For details, contact Jolly Belly below Mikado Restaurant, Police Bazaar at 7005 668657 and 98630 60336. On Tuesday, 30th November 2021, a delegation under the banner of the Shillong Municipal Employees Association had met Minister in charge of the Municipal Board, Sniaw Bhalang Dhar, to demand from the government the payment of salaries as per the 5th Pay Commission. The delegation included President of the Association S. Pengrob, General Secretary P. Marweng and Assistant General Secretary Y. Kharmau Plang besides others. President of the Shillong Municipal Employees Association S. Pengrob informed newspersons that the meeting with the minister in charge of the Shillong Municipal Board ended in an assurance that the matter would be taken up with Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and therefore response on the same will be notified on the latter's return to the state capital. It may be mentioned that the association had organized a pen-down strike today, the 1st of December 2021, to protest against the payment of salary as per the 4th Pay Commission, which is contempt of the Apex Court order that had directed the state government to implement the 5th Pay Commission salary structure to municipal employees with effect from July 2020.
Foreign countries in Simkhia ini point number 1 banyak keren halor jangka ini ke 5th Pay Commission ini buat yo but ini lah kerpat ini bang ya ele bala bang ya kiar supaya kan agitation te ini kat kum karai hi jangka general meeting ka bang rai ne ma ini ben yo ega 5th Pay kumbala rai daga high court but ke areas ka jungi ni stamp lo jang kata la shai ka program jungi kan ya isapmat jan meeting session meeting ban pensmo pat ya ki neki nong trai jungi ya ke ai ke jinga kran ka mi menta ka singi bat I minister
ngim da shai ba